This is a simple public service announcement. See that brass fitting right there? Don't go and try wrenching on it as if it's steel or anything else. Why? Because I did. And I had a little malfunction in there. And you can see it snapped off. So I just totally trashed this piece and that piece, which is like $3, but it's my pride that's probably the most expensive thing hurt here. So this is actually probably a really useful 30, 40, 50-second video. Don't do what I do. Just watch my videos and steer clear of stupid, simple things.